Hello, my name is Aditya. I'm from Chennai. I'm a combat athlete and a fitness enthusiast. So I've been dealing with a lot of chronic pain for the past 2 years, and there's pretty much nothing that I haven't tried to resolve it, including going to a lot of chiropractors and pretty much going to all the physical therapists in and around my locality, which gave me little to no relief at all. So I recently stumbled across Aman Ratnaik's page in Instagram. He spoke a lot about the importance of proper breathing mechanics and proper posture, which can have a very adverse effect on someone's chronic pain. So I booked a session with him, and within just one session and a week of doing the exercises that he had given me after assessing my posture, I've seen proper improvement in my breathing mechanics and my mobility, and significant improvement in my chronic pain. And since then I've been able to move better, I've been able to breathe better, and I've been able to sleep better. So if you are someone who's been dealing with a lot of chronic pain, Aman Ratnaik is one of the very few guys in India who is equipped with the proper knowledge to help you get out of it.